Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and today we are stopping by the Dollar Tree store. I want to see what they have new, and I always like to stop at the Dollar Tree every couple of weeks. A couple of weeks ago when I was there, they're cutting out more Valentine's, so we'll see if they have any more of that. But as soon as you walk up, you got the potting soil. Now, I know these are really small bags, but these are bags are perfect for anybody, if you're just doing one little pot of flour. Now, these face shields, I always have a couple of these. I use these for when I chop onions. Yes, I do that to keep the gases out. And it works wonders. It's super easy. So I love checking out, see what little Valentine signs. Now, like everything else, I do have a lot of Valentine signs, but I love displaying some of these. I mean, now we all know that a Dollar Tree went from $1 to $1.25 recently, so everything you see is $1.25. So I don't have to show any prices because it's all $1.25. But Dollar Tree always has the greatest little things, and this is perfect for, if you're putting Valentines together for kids at school. If you're doing a bridal shower, a birthday party, a wedding, some of these, Dollar Tree should be your first stop to check out. Now, we're lucky in our area. We actually have about 3 Dollar Trees probably within 10 to 15 minutes of each other, depending on traffic. And here in Southern California, we always have traffic. And so now, if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you so much. And if you are returning and you haven't hit that subscribe button, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button. We do daily videos of different stores, and I love to shop, and this is what I love to do. And I might as well show everybody what I love to do. There's different shopping accounts. We all have our different styles, so I definitely hope you enjoy coming along. And again, like I said, hitting that subscribe button helps our channel out a great deal, and it really makes my heart happy too. It always makes my day when I see new subscribers, so definitely welcome everybody. And like I said, we are popping in the Dollar Tree. I always just love coming here. I could never really walk out with anything. And it's so one thing, it's like, you have kids, they always want something. Here I'm always like, yeah, go pick out a couple of things. Now this is, if you do these decorating shred, the crinkle paper, this is the place to get it. They always keep checking back. They always have different colors, but this is exactly where I love to get it, to add to little gift bags, to packages. Always, it's always fun. And it's always kind of said, Dollar Tree, you want to check out. There are some great things. Obviously, there's some things you don't want to get, but there's always great things. Majority of the stuff you definitely do want to get, like these coffee cups. If you don't want to get a big pack for $1.25, those are perfect, especially if you have a couple of friends. And I always like to send a friend off with coffee too. Maybe that's why they're coming over. They're just here for the coffee. Nah. Anyway, so you have the socks. You have these hair ties. I'm like just thinking that's going to pull my hair out. If you've tried those and you like them, let me know what your opinion is of those. Of course, Dollar Tree is always one of the best places to get gift bags. Either it's for Valentine's, for birthday. They always look really nice too. Now, the Garland, so this is always a great place to get garland. I love adding garland during the holidays. I kind of decorate little parts of the house, and it adds a little touch of color, and it adds a little of the theme. One of our neighbors always teases me. He said he always could tell what theme's going on because he could see from my front porch. But I love this garland. Look at this red with the heart plaids. Of course, I think that was the most popular. There was only 2 of them left. I did like the pink purple with the red hearts. And the tissue paper, it's always a good idea to have, especially if you do the bags like I do, is have enough tissue paper too. My mother is really good when she does box gifts of putting the tissue paper. I need to narrow down that skill. And of course, with Dollar Tree, they always have some great signs. I see some great, what people do with some of these signs, they kind of add to them, which is always a good idea. Now, these signs, I do keep a couple of outside, so I have to replace them every couple of years because they tend to warp from the weather. So just kind of be mindful of that. If you put some on your porch, that they get damp, they will warp. So they're always, like I said, Dollar Tree. Now, Look at Easter is here. The Peeps, stock up on these Peeps. If you're a Peep lover, you like to decorate with the Peeps, come here and grab some of these because for $1.25 it's not bad at all. They have a good variety right now. Look at this coffee one. I cannot wait. So I did pick this up because I was so curious. I'm not the hugest Peep person, but I had to try these. They're coffee flavor. I love coffee, so I'm gonna try those too. And like I said, got the pink, the purple, the traditional yellow, the cotton candy. Also down below was birthday cake. And the cotton candy makes me really nervous because cotton candy is sweet. The Peeps are sweet. How sweet is that? Like I said, there's always there's lots of candy. You could decorate with this, and that's what I do. Candy's pretty. and so now my husband does love the Kit Kat, so I just kind of grabbed some of those for him. But look at, if you're, like I said, you're putting little gift packets together for friends or family, or like schoolmates, this is the place to go. One thing great about the Dollar Tree, it's so budget friendly too. I mean, I have seen videos where people have like my $500 haul at the Dollar Tree, and I'm like, wow, what do they get? And those are always fun to watch. I think the most I have spent at the Dollar Tree, seriously, it was like $55. And that was because I was buying stuff for my daughter's classroom and also for her birthday party too. So that is my record for the Dollar Tree. And that was back when everything was $1 too. The conversation hearts, I have done several crafts. I love filling little containers with the conversation hearts. I don't like to eat the conversation hearts, so I am a picky candy eater. And like I said, like chocolates, I prefer, I try to watch my sugar intake. If I'm going to eat candy, I try to eat the good candy. I mean, obviously, if you are, watching your calories, eat what you like. But, I save my chocolates. I love Adhesive candy. So that's always a special treat too. But these are fun. Now, kids love these. Kids are not so picky on chocolates, except for my kid. She knows about the C's and she does love those. So here are more of the face shields. Like I said, I know some people was wearing these for COVID reasons. I wear them for, like I said, when I cut up onions, because I love red onions on my sandwiches and I love to saute onions. And I use it for crafts too. And speaking of crafts, like I said, Dollar Tree has a lot of good organization. You see these containers right here, the kind of, that's not semi-clear with the white top. Those are perfect for paint. If you're touching up paint on your walls or you need to store paint, get a few of these. That is what I'm doing because that is just a great way. I hate when you have to take the little pliers and pull up the top of the paints. That's not my favorite thing to do. Plus, it doesn't keep them airtight. So go with those. And also, like I said, I like to mix Dawn with vinegar to clean my bathrooms. These spray bottles are a great way to do that too. You get them for cheap. And seriously, I've bought expensive ones and I've bought cheap ones. They all work the same. Now, another great thing that I love about the Dollar Tree is the crafts. For the past year, they started to, they've always had carry like a little bit, but it seems like the last year and a half, they really up their craft game. I mean, look at these paints. So the top of those tubes was like glitter paints. They had neon, all these different color paints. They had canvases. Now, we are a craft family, and so my daughter loves to draw and paint. And so I always keep a good stock of those items. And I mean, look at, you got those foam brushes. Those are good for touching up walls. Glue gun. Especially if you're doing like a little one, or it's actually because they don't get as hot if you're training somebody to use a good glue gun. That's the way to go. But you have like these ribbon. And I love these different colors, these little, instead of using a twist tie, especially if you're doing like a little gift or you're making cookies for somebody, that is definitely a good idea. And, for Valentine's, if you're going to make a wreath or make something special, or even, add to your own decor too. There are so many great Dollar Tree YouTubers out there that has all these great projects. I don't do crafts on this channel, but definitely, I'm sure you've subscribed to some of those channels. If you haven't, look out for them because they have some really great ideas. Now, here's another new thing: vinyl. Now, I have a Cricut. My vinyl I use is Oracle 631 or 651, depending on how strong I want my vinyl. I'm curious about these because these are good if you're maybe doing a stencil. So I am going to grab a couple of these, and I will let you know in my next Dollar Tree video how I like that vinyl too. Now, here's another, if you're a gardener, look at these. So I forgot what these little air plants are called, but I've seen people plant them. They kind of hang over. I am not the best gardener. I don't know all the names of plants, but I've seen those in glass form, really expensive. For $1.25, if you want to try a new look, definitely give those a try too. And like I said, it doesn't break the budget too. That's one of the things I love about Dollar Tree, because I've gone to, I bought crafts from Hobby Lobby, from Michael's, and it does add up really quick. Great thing with Dollar Tree, all you have to do is add how many items you have. And I use it now, of course, you say, well, I have, 30 items, $30 now, of course, obviously it's $1.25, so you do want to add a little bit more to that. Now, this was neat, that wreath. Okay, I'm going to have to keep my eye on to see if anybody does a craft with that, because I've never seen one of those before. And these are good for planters. And they're actually, I like them better than the ones I get from Home Depot and Lowe's. Those are a little bit not as flimsy. Now, I do like to grab some of these gloves here. It's always good to have multiple gardening gloves. Don't use those for cutting roses though. They're not thorn friendly. And these flags, those are for the mini flags, and that's for like little lanterns. Not a bad price for $1.25. Seriously, it's the same strength as, I bought one like 10-15 years ago for $20. It used to be a lot more for those. And I remember I got it from the Hallmark store because that was at the time, that was the only place I could find them. So of course, like I said, there's always, look at these beautiful different planterns. There's so many different ideas you could do with these, and just some wonderful, great ideas. Now, I love, these are real terracotta plots. Now, those are smaller ones. Those are probably about 2 inches for 3. And then this is a little bit bigger, obviously you can see, and those are 2 in the pack. Again, a really good price. I like those for succulents, or also a starter. If you're trying to plant something from the seed, it's a good way to do it too. Of course, in the corner of my eye, I caught this little dish. How adorable is that? That's so cute to put like some Hershey Kisses in there. I just love heart-shaped glass dishes like that too. And like I said, going, okay, what else did I miss? There's a little bit of Easter popping in, like this is it. This is so, I'm sure we'll definitely be seeing some more, a little bit of St. Patrick's, but this is fun if you're just decorating, if you're wanting to go out. They have, like I said, a couple of different of the bowling hats, a little leprechaun hat, some little charm things, and also a couple items too for crafts, some garland, a couple of little signs. It wasn't huge. This is, for this store, this is only where the St. Patrick's was. It was just confined to this little area. Like I said, they have some socks, a couple of headbands, and some towels. Nothing huge. So it's interesting to see if they will get any more a little later. I love getting these. These are like the bubble wrap packaging and the packing tape. This is a good place to buy those items. Now, here are more craft items. I mean, you got the mini little, you got pens, you've got some glitter, you got the little scissors, you got the little googly eyes. I mean, those are the magnets, whatever you are kind of looking for. And if you need to go and stock up on some crafts, check the Dollar Tree out first. I mean, that was like just plain material, the green, white, and black. If you're making something small, that was like a little bit of glue, the craft glue. I mean, they had glue sticks as well. They even had, and this was kind of new, it was, well, they have these. Now, I bought these, I don't know why. I thought they were just pretty. I put glitter in those from Fairy Gardens. But they had the spray adhesive. And so I have it. I still have like a couple of big containers of another brand. I haven't tried those yet, so, but if you have, let me know how they work too, because I like that they're small too. Now here are, like I said, paint brushes. There's so many different items that, I mean, it's like the foam brushes. These are just, some of these, now I've bought a couple of little things. They didn't work out, and I don't see them anymore, so I'm not going to point them out. But if I ever do, I'll let you know. It's like the things for my Cricut, too. They broke instantly. But, I mean, look at this. This is, like I said, if you're wanting to stock up on crafts. Now, this adhesive cork sheet, I was making coasters for a while, and that was perfect for the back. I loved it. Peeled it off, cut it to the size, peeled it off, and I've had them for like a year and a half. They have not like unpeeled or anything, which is great. And I love stocking up on these spiral notebooks. Obviously, when you have kids at school, they use them. I'm a writer. I always write things down, ideas. If you're manifesting positive thoughts, journal. I love those things. And I have quite a few, and I like a little stock of them. They have their stickers. They're really up on their stickers, too. And like I said, here is like a little bit more, you know, for if you're making wreaths, some ribbon, vases. Like I said, if you're doing like a bridal shower, baby shower, a wedding, definitely want to check out the Dollar Tree. You can save a lot of money here. More of the bubble wrap. I mean, look at those. And I like to, I'll grab a couple of these at a time, because I'm always shipping stuff out to family. Here are some great boxes. Now I haven't, because I order from Amazon all the time, I have a really good supply of boxes. But if you're in need, that is a good spot to buy them too. I mean, and then the office supplies, the markers, I'm not going to really suggest. They've dried out really quickly on me. But like, you know, paper clips, staplers, push pins, the Post-it notes, that is a good place to get them. And if you're having a yard sale, grab these, get a big black Sharpie, get the large, the super one from like Michael's, or if you find it at Target, because those are great and they'll definitely attract your customers. You have these boards, so perfect for school projects. I always make sure I have a couple of these on hand, because the kids always like, oh, by the way, this is what I have to do in 2 days. So it's good to have those on hand. So everybody, thank you so much for coming along. Again, like I said, if you like this content and you're returning, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate it so much, and definitely appreciate your support. So everybody, I hope you're staying safe and stay well, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care.